Well, welcome back to Steve Robb Reviews. Today we're going to review a product that I've been using for years. I've shown grinding on my channel so many times, and I wonder how many of you have one of these. Yes, this is a welding blanket. I keep this in the shop. I just bought a brand new one, and I keep this in the shop all the time because you know what? Safety comes first. So many times in the past, when you start really grinding on something, you'd be surprised the sparks that fly. And behind here I have my air hose for my plasma cutter. All you need is a couple of good sparks. That's it. You got a hole in your airline. And why take a chance on wrecking your hoses on your plasma cutter or your welder and filling it all full of slag? Not everybody points their grinder at that kind of stuff, but you'd be surprised at the stuff that's inside your garage that's so flammable. And in my shop, it's very small, and I just thought I'd show you that when you see me doing grinding here, I always have my blanket out to cover whatever it is. My table saw. There's not much in here that I can grind without hitting something. And now I'm going to show you what I do with it when I put it away at the end of the day. There she is right there, just in a small little plastic tote. I put a couple of straps on the ceiling to hold it up with, and it just sits in there. So whenever you do see me welding on the channel, that's what I'm using to protect everything in the shop. Well, I hope you like that little tip, guys. That blanket is not expensive. I bought it at Princess Auto. I imagine Harbor Freight sells them too. It was like $20 on sale. And guys, do yourself a favor, get one of them if you do a lot of welding or a lot of grinding or whatever. Just so you know, I'm always got that out there. Because I got a table saw in here as well, full of sawdust. And you know, you don't want sparks flying in the wrong spot. So thanks for joining me here today. If you haven't seen this channel before, well, you're welcome to subscribe. This is another segment of Welding in Canada. Cheers, guys.